So the first night we arrived, our campsite actually had some really great obstacles and some nice little ravines to check out. So we decided to just mess around, stay around that area for a little bit before we set up camp. And we really put some of the vehicles to the test. We put Drake's 1994 Land Cruiser through some water and through some ravines. So check this video out.
Hey Asher, come up here.
Yeah.
Good.
Are you in 4 low? Yeah.
Nice.
There we go.
Yes.
I mean, it looks like a bunch of other people been through there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this stuff is all spread. You don't want to? No. Take a mud bath. I don't care to. That's all my packs on your car.
What? Then you got it.
I see what you're doing, man.
Then don't stop.
It's a pass through here.
Not that deep.
This is good for him. He's seriously like, I hate having my shoes on.
I don't.
Here, you might need this. I don't like having my shirt on.
I don't like it.
It's so gross on my
Look at that
precious feet.
Nothing there. There's broke. Look at that majestic thing. Awesome. Okay. All right, now try again. All right, one more time.